Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yes, a great good afternoon to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osazo Sakwinokwodin. Yes, I won't deceive you guys. Some of us have already lost our voice. So do not mind my voice. You just have to get the details of what is really transpiring in Edo State. Very firstly, I urge us all who are watching me right now to kindly share this video and invite your friends. The only primary reason why injustice spreads across our society is because of the fact that good people decide to remain quiet and allow evil people to take an advantage of the democratic infrastructure in our society to perpetuate evil. Now, those who cannot work, those who believe that they can continue to feed fat from the collective wealth of our people, are seeing this government as a government that stands as an impediment or as a stumbling block to their continuous taking over of public wealth and resources. Now, as at yesterday, these same elements decided to say they want to invade the State House of Assembly, but they failed in their plan. Now, you just have to see the rate or the level of desperations of this set of elements. Now, they were not able to gain access to the State House Assembly to arrange their plot, to work against the collective interest of Edo people. They went to the private residence of an individual, carrying a maze like the one the monk speaker used, used in the past. They brought in that maze, they arranged themselves in the parlor of an individual. Just because he wants to create an extension of third tenure in Edo State. But the truth is, we are glad that Edo people came out en masse to put an end to this thuggery. This group of elements, let me tell you what they did. Actually, it's not as if they have anything to achieve. They wanted to stop the word-to-word campaign of the governor. They went to a donut. When they got to a donut, they went to go and organize campaign at Fuga for the local government. Do you know that one single word of Obaseki in a donut outnumbered their entire local government campaign? They already know that the people are not with them. Now they are not fomenting violence and trouble everywhere. You could recall that some 3 days ago or 4 days ago, if I'm not mistaken, Adam Oshiomhole openly came out that they will ensure that this election is marked by violence. And that is what they are working towards now. Now, the truth of the matter is very clear. They are busy spending money, paying money to buy legislators. To date, now let me tell you the simple truth. To date, if the governor chooses to say, let me begin to spend the money, those people would have left. But the governor said, no matter the pressure, I'm going to remain firm. I have a contract with Edo people that their money would be used for the development of Edo State. And so even if Adam Oshiomhole and the billionaire is spending 40 million naira to buy Honorable, they should keep buying, no problem. But what we have today is the People's Assembly. The People's Assembly. Why are you assembly where I'm winner? You go there now. You just go there. Everybody have the right to freedom of association. So they can continue to hold meetings in Israel house. That is not a problem. Let them continue to hold their meetings in Israel house because that is a very clear, organized Israel assembly. Not say those people's assembly. The only house of assembly that people know is the house of assembly being organized in the yellow chambers. It is there, and the only speaker I don't people recognize because, as far as we are concerned, we are not in a banana republic. We are in a country, except if the whole of us are tired to say we no longer want a country. We want to operate on the basis of bananarism. Then we cannot bring in This is the idea. So for as long as law exists in Nigeria, in Edo State, we must adhere strictly to the rule of law. Your seat has been declared vacant. You went through Abuja court to say, no, I will not accept it. It will not be declared vacant. Now the matter is still in court. You rushed. You are trying to say you want to break in. You want to force yourself on Edo people. Now, Edo, do you really know the meaning of desperation? This is a clear example of desperation. Now, go and look at their jingle in respect to the rally or their flag off for tomorrow. Mr. President is not even attending. He told them point blank. And let me tell you the simple truth. If Mr. President or the Vice President attends such flag off, that is a huge blow on the anti-corruption war in Nigeria. They will no longer take the anti-corruption war serious. Because we know that a court of competent jurisdiction must prove somebody, must prove that somebody is a criminal before can say somebody is a criminal. That's the truth. But for as long as somebody is under investigation, in respect to 700 million naira case, I do not expect an integrity tested president who claims to be integrity tested like President Muhammadu Buhari to find himself in such podium. The truth is, where is the likes of Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, one of the greatest governors of the APC? Will they be there tomorrow? No. No. What of the governor of Ravage area, Borno State? The governor will not be there. They cannot come because these are men of integrity. What do you expect from the likes of Senator Hope Uzodinma, a Supreme Court governor? What do you expect? What do you expect from a Supreme Court governor? A Supreme Court governor must be there because, as far as we are concerned, he can only achieve his aim through manipulation. So, as at yesterday, they already failed, but they have no other option. Please, nobody should call me now. They already failed. They have no other option that will be going to result to what they are doing right now. But the truth of the matter is, they have been demolished. You know, I told you all before now. I said, whether they like it or not, politicians must go to retirement. Some politicians must go to retirement. And the truth is, Adam Oshiomhole is going to retirement. Whether he likes it or not, Edo resources or extension of third tenure cannot happen in Edo State. Now, let's look at the statement of Adam Oshiomhole in the past. They are coming today to tell you that what they said in the past is a political statement. That is to say, what they are saying today is still a political statement. Now, let's look at his statement in the past. I am going to quote him verbatim. Please share this video and invite your friend, please. I'm going to quote him verbatim. He said, I refuse to appoint Ize-Iyamu as a special advisor in my government because I am afraid and I know that if I give him the opportunity to be in an area where money is, he's going to loot all. And he said Ize-Iyamu is a criminal. Adam Oshiomhole 2015. That was the statement. I begin to wonder what has changed today. What has changed? And in Ize-Iyamu's statement in 2015, he said, Adam Oshiomhole stole the sum of 1.4 trillion as a governor. This is the highest money ever received by Edo State, right from the Midwest State to Bende State, now to Edo State. 1.4 trillion. Ize-Iyamu 2016. Do not take Adam Oshiomhole serious. He is a man that will come to you to beg you today. Tomorrow morning he's going to repeat what he pleaded for. Who is a fool? Adam Oshiomhole. This was the statement made by Ize-Iyamu in 2016. Adam Oshiomhole, when interviewed by Swain Okinbaloye in the run-up of the 2016 gubernatorial elections in Edo State, Adam Oshiomhole made a statement. He said, Swain Okinbaloye, I want to let you know that Ize-Iyamu lies effortlessly. Then Swain asked him, Are you just knowing that this man dies effortlessly owing to the fact that he was the director general in your campaign? Adam Oshomole said, I know he was lying, but I have to use him. I know he was lying. Adam Oshomole, 2016. I'm quoting him. Now, you will now come back to ask, how will this man now change our memory again to continue to follow him? This is a question. Now, Adam Oshomole again said in 2015, Izeyamu was rusticated from University of Benin. His father went to go and beg Access Ogban. He was reinstated. After that, he went to law school. He never graduated because no father there to beg for him again. Adam Oshomole, 2015. All these are his statements. I am quoting him verbatim. When he rounded up from his institution, they called him and asked, where is your law school certificate? He said, I battered somebody with acid. Adam Oshomole, 2015. In the run-up of the 2016 gubernatorial elections, and I begin to ask a simple question. Why is it that as of today, Adam Oshomole wants to change our memory again to follow him in line with a new narrative? Now, in the year 2000, in the run-up of the 2016 gubernatorial elections in Edo State, Adam Oshomole said, Obaseki is the most competent person I have ever seen. All the positive thing in my government, Obaseki was the brain behind it. I have never seen a man like this. He used his network of friends to attract funds for us to build a building in Government House, which I ought to name after him. I have never seen a man like Obaseki. Adam Oshomole, 2016. Adam Obaseki, as far as we are concerned, he went to a primary and secondary school in Edo. Then he went to University of Ibadan. He graduated with a flying color. He went to the United States to go and study his master's. He returned back and he helped to establish second generation banks in Nigeria. And as we speak, he is one of the greatest men supporting Adam Oshomole, 2016. Asking what has changed. The same man was his best man in his wedding. Adam Oshomole came out publicly to say, because of the fact that this man is a great man of inestimable value, he's going to be the best man of my wedding. The question now is, what has changed? So we could just give her this opportunity to deceive us. No. Now, they are shouting about renovation that is going on in the State House of Assembly. Ask them a simple question. Adam Oshomole, while he was the governor of Edo State, he did not only remove the roof from the government house in the name of politics. He took every legislator to the State House of Assembly. What happened between Adam Oshomole and Zakawanu Garuba? How was Zakawanu Garuba impeached? How? Are we not in this state? Now this man is coming out to cry assent. You will never succeed. Do you know what? If you like, bring all the billions in this world to buy all of them. Buy them. We need, as at this time, it is all about the People Assembly. It is all about the People's Assembly. So the people are determined. We are here to defend the collective interest and destiny of Edo people. We know that it's all about. Now let me open this to you. All of us, including me, we fought. Myself, Adam Oshomole, Samson Osagie, every of us, we joined. Say, Mo will remove this man, including me. You know, you're share money. At least we suppose. No, well, our own town. So we even sing songs. Say, for my own town, no do gra for me. No do gra for me. But as I reach one place, some of our constituency, Even when we fight this fight, when they talk and publicly say, like me, and they talk and publicly say, I cannot come out here to say Obaseki has not performed. It is the truth. And for those who they follow me, I say, man, I nearly died. They nearly blame me because of Obaseki. Yes. Everybody knows, say, my fight, as at that time, was purely stomach infrastructure. We not the other. Now, still that same stomach infrastructure fight. Now, all of us, the fight. But the truth is that, to some of us, we are men on our own. We not dey under anybody for anything. Everybody with you. So, if when we dey fight, the thing they sweet you, it not make me and you dey the same camp. We are of the same interest. We were fighting for stomach infrastructure. But we know officially because of stomach infrastructure, change progress. Nothing. That is the truth. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Who can us what in your being? Or my can not but in you, not being. Or my way can not but in you, not being. So if it is now my brother beat not be me. Now where they beat your brother, now they can't come beat you. We told them no. For me to join injustice, I say I did on top of the fence. We were using was a tool. It was a tool. Even this crisis where somebody go put you on now, not being getter. He jump put. Because of the echo, if the form I will fight to finish. If you fight to finish, other people will fight to demolish you politically. You better have anything now and hide. This is a movement. So even if oh my goodness, one of their supporters, I don't want to mention her name, a woman. He got right hand. He said, only what we achieve, if it is for us to prevent the government word-to-word campaign, he did Facebook and Mochan. He said, if it is only to prevent the word-to-word campaign, we are glad. You know, say that word-to-word campaign made them fear when they see the turnout of the people. Believe me, even me, I was afraid before. Say, I was afraid of a donut. When I tell a donut, see, go and mark what I want to so we will beat Osomole 80% in the donut. 80 for that place where they make months. 80 will beat him. We will beat him. Adam Osomole 2016 said, Bible in the day, AK-47 at night. We not believe, but as of today, we are not seeing Bible in the day, AK-47 at night. Who want to say never observe now? You know there now. Desperation, public desperation. Public desperation. Public desperation, not let them hide again. So it is not visible and audible. It's not visible and audible that the level of desperation is very clear. The AK-47 at night, Bible in the day, everybody now sees it. How on earth will a would-be Christian violate the law and arrange his own house as the House of Assembly? This same person said in 2016 that they are going to commercialize and they are going to commercialize people's birthday into a public activities. And again, if this same person they give a chance with this desperation, you know, just saying go fit pocket what the government has an House of Assembly for inside a village where you go to do. If you can take a whole House of Assembly activities, you plan to take out to your parlor. Abba, mokuna series na. Mokuna series. Now, immediately when they want to my eye for inside their group call me. He said, comrade, they said they already buy data for everybody. They don't buy data for everybody. Say, as they do the thing, make them quick flood the social media, say breaking. Now we they laugh. But as of today, the government don't give the response. He don't tell them. I beg, wise people, real people, monitor a family member, if anyone they make the boggy make the fear because as we did, I agree a campaign, talk your own, make I talk my own. But these people say no. They don't really show or say it is purely AK-47 at night, Bible in the day. Everybody see the video where say you even need to move from your unit to another, from word to word, We need Operation Share Result. You see the way they dance? You see the way they do? You know, say, man. If, see, the way some of these people take their desperate, if they tell them, say, bury life children, 10 to win this election, they don't look back, they'll bury them. They're not going to look back, they go bury them. Ige domagi wasia, ige domagi wasia. The president told them point blank, you cannot go look their advert. Now when they choking dollar for Babariga, as Supreme Court governor, now one come. Supreme Court governor and dollar for Babariga. If the president comes to that kind of place, he make it just know saying he don't lost integrity in the presence of Nigerians. Because at this time, believe me, we are not ready to have issues with the federal government. Because the federal government not send them. He not send them. Buhari not be party man when they say, you go to turn and say, let's bend it, let's bend. No. You could recall when Buhari was campaigning in Imo State, in the run of a presidential election, he said, vote for me as president, vote your choice as governor. Oshomole shock since when the president talk. The video the internet. So if you come here, if now again, make una no fear, make una no fear, mona come and come vote. Not only when una no vote, they want to make fear enter your body. You say, oh, I get the election area. Not only when you not come and come vote, none of you achieve their aim. No fear at all. They claim the federal man deal with them. Federal man deal with you. They claim that the president is with Oshomole. The president love Oshomole. Now the president I call for the neck meet where they remove Oshomole. He tell us go. From they not let us hear what that time, huh? National. National. Why we give national. They tell them say you will not be the national chairman before a gubernatorial election. He not believe. They tell them you not hear. Obaseki tell them he not agree. Osakuna what they tell them he not hear. When your eyes go clear, they know they tell the person. They know they tell the person. Yeah, they know they tell the person. When your eyes go clear, they know they tell the person. They know they tell the person. Yeah, they know they tell the person. Then tell her you don't know. You don't believe. In the form now me show quick. Listen. Now tree, now make monkey the feature for 3 to 3. Never again will Edo return back to a situation where people will shoot go in government house in the presence of the security agency. They know if he talk. Never again. In government house, civilian should go in government house. In the front security agency, they'll start on the look. Never again will Edo return to a situation where 2 rival court group youths they fight for government to come in and find a way to put an end to it. Make some people be scapegoat. You call this one here, you call this one here, you give them money. When they spend the money finish, they'll come back again. One hungry start, they'll quit somebody say, go slap that one. So go slap this one. Boys go to fight for street. They don't know, say, top oga, they go to collect money from government house. Never again. Never again will it ever happen. Never again will the name of an individual become a gate pass in Nigeria. That when they drive bus, they go, they write your name, say, I be this one sister, I be this one brother. Now get past in front of security. No, never again. Never again should we allow all that to happen. Now, let's ask ourselves a simple question. Then I will use myself as the basis of the first answer. Then we'll go ask them, Osakuna, what are you fighting for? Now, I am fighting for the betterment of Edo State, and I am fighting for the betterment of myself as well. Because I am a qualified professional, and if I'm given the opportunity to serve in my state, I'm going to impact positively on the life of the people. While I am fighting for Edo people, I have a right to as well fight for myself. Then let's ask them, What are they fighting for? One, some sects are fighting to return back Agbero. They will come get that former ticket. They will give them, which is the promise where they promised them. That at the end of the day, one individual will get money counting machine for office. Now, if you give that kind of opportunity to those people, what are you telling future generation? As of today, our school academics is decaying on a daily basis. People no longer have confidence in school because the likes of Adam Oshomole believe that because he's a tailor, will not go to school. Those who should take over the economy of every state should be like him. Should be like him. People are now losing confidence in education. If a man who never who never passes through the 4 works of education can have multi-millionaire from an illicit source, you expect other people to go and waste their time in school? The reason why these people are fighting is because Obaseki is changing these narratives. Please share this video. Please share this video. The reason why they are fighting today is because Obaseki is changing these narratives. They don't like it. They are no longer comfortable with it. All they want is when they get to the park where vehicle are, or they get to Kekena Park, as the case may be. It's a child. People they say it's a child. You say call you. No, never again. Never again will an individual be greater than the institution in Edo State. Even if Nigeria is not ready to develop, Edo will start the pace of development. Even if Nigeria as a country is not ready to develop, Edo will start the pace of development. Never again. An individual having ATM machine in his office, a machine at Akigo, as if you are a bank. Never again. This is the reason why they are launching a fierce onslaught against His Excellency, Governor Godwin Enoyaseun Obaseki. Ask them. I have answered my question. Ask them the same question. Anywhere you see them, ask them, what are you fighting for? They have nothing to tell you apart from Ohulima. Now let me give you one secret. There was a time the governor requested for those who worked for me in the elections. Excuse me, sorry. Hello? I do. Track me for Boscolodon. Ade Boscolodon. Ade Boscolodon. I did live video. I don't want to declare my location like that. Correct. Yeah. A man that is going to a war that begins to look at the weapons of his enemy as a deterrent is not ready to fight. We're not a drag people shirt so we're going to follow the true blue. No. We will completely destroy you with evidence and fact. Never again. ATM machine. One man go sit down and go get pictures. A school wamajo. Umina wamawe. Nothing well. But you want to continue to cut public resources. They only wanted to. The governor said, if you want to take over Edo resources, remove me first. That's what they want to remove me. Now, the last time the governor requested, for those who worked for me, please bring your certificate. If you cannot provide your certificate, let us give you a job, a menial job that will be done. Then at the end of the day, will be returned from your job, and the state will get returned, will be paying you salary. They say, imagine a man who don't get illegal 500,000 naira per day. You can't go to tell and say, me go to receive 20,000. It better when you kill land than for you to agree to receive that kind of money per day. And where you go, they don't want hustle again. They are waiting for every 4 years. Government should give promise. The government want to call, they'll promise, they say what you want to do. They will not go and do disaster. We no longer want that. Now, Obaseki shocked them. That is when they bring her home, they'll begin to tell the guy now, excuse me. That is when they bring her home, they'll begin to tell the guy now, that one is just of a pretend they look there. We stand, put no break. Plata plo. As the man young with your head, I say, shh. Edo cannot go back to the way it is. If this man was ruling like this is my own style. If we don't go, girl, we don't. The crash starts. Man, no had me join. Me join. The first cry will first cry now. See the person was going to tell me support. Me when nearly die. My own how they talk so. I not tell you say I better pass them. No. I not tell you say I better pass them at all. Yeah. This man when they go break on. Now now. Me when my hand nearly plan. Was I going to go man? I know grow. Now so they say they cry down. We don't grow. Now the man say. Some people call it that for internet that I say, stop what? Okay, what are you looking for, comrade? Comrade Stanley, what are you looking for? Okay, they say a door job. Me not go submit for a door job. Me no, that's what they cut and give me. That's what they cut and give me. Now my own be this. Now me cry. Now so the rest they cry. Who? Then many of them were thief don't money way whole position. They not be invest. They're not broke. They need more of a money to remain. That you know those they are a leader day level. A leader day. It don't reduce. Nobody will get money for a leader day. When you be like we will not get money, you're gonna form a leader day. Anybody when you see say they follow us now with passion, it's there with us. A leader day. He not come there again. Obaseki got blocker. Even me, I never talk this thing before. I was still talking begin. If aside administration and the good workers of the Obaseki government, me not happy for stomach infrastructure say they not give me. Me not happy. But let me tell you the truth. Anybody will see progress. Will change am because he don't belay alone. He not deserve to live. My belly is not enough to jeopardize the interest of Edo people. Even if I'm fighting for my stomach in the past, let's say the truth as it is. I felt on that before. I say, come. Anybody when you say come and call the shout, the people. Now lie they lie. Like this guy they call Denko for Ovia. He's a man. He like to support Obaseki. But because he knows your most of the Ovia, if he support her for PDP, because of PDP, it go very difficult for her to get tickets for that side again. Because most of them is very strong in that on ground for that area. Now make no one go. If not, he like Obaseki. All of them like Obaseki. Now selfishness. Now selfishness, they worry all of them. Amari. One of them, for he said those people where they fight this Obaseki so. He died of typhoid fever. Typhoid fever. Because of no single care. He died of typhoid fever. He not listen to them. But you want to make sure say you are Omagi magwa o ni kugeria. Omagi magwa o ni kugeria. Omagi magwa o ni kugeria. So magi set is a bona ikugeria. All of them when you see so or not I will feel list them. Oshomole Ize Yam Sansio Saike Osahono Wadi I not remove myself. All of them, I will put myself join. Now Bele, now we fair, now we fact truth. Now we fact truth. Now the truth. None of us do now. Eh? When we some of them even came out publicly, even talking for media. I don't know how they talk. So one of them say he's no longer invite us to government, has to come and eat, drink. Maybe as you eat drink, so they'll go import guests come from Lagos. Then when you leave the city of session, they'll invite you'll see guests when no sport for their body, nothing. As you they eat finish, the swimming pool will not have a swim, take corner. The guests will they wait. They'll tell people, children, to point and key. They'll say, now this one I want. They'll say, follow him. Follow him. All those things now, Basek, you know, they do. All this old men here, they say, policy. Ashara. Don't the men when you see they say they be biagia. They be because when they call men like biagia. Now they be biagia. Now that kind of life they be want. Flowing in enjoyment. Even if the masses suffer, die, not concern them. Oshomole tied a kilometer of road at the cost of 1 billion. The same road, NDC the time of 75 million, 125 million alike. Obaseki say I cannot do it like that. We must do road at a normal cost. You cannot do the same thing for Delta, Asaba, and the rest, Port Harcourt, where the waterlogged area. Then you want Concord to do for it. No, we can't continue that narrative. Please, we are changing it. Now they say, we no go. We must remove this mall. We must remove this mall. We must remove. We no go. 1 kilometer of road, 1 billion. Airport road given to Sevetech company was constructed with the cost of 8 billion. 8 kilometers. That 8 billion naira can construct 12 to 13 roads and adjoining streets. But as we speak, ask them what did they use those money do. Only the door where those show me the house. Go build this my house. Where I sit down so. You go build them. Only one door. Go build them. This house. Now that one that they fair. You get to. You know it's actually happy this season. It never happened like this before. For a door people to stand. No, sorry, it happened. When Oshomole they fight for that reason. We don't know saying they aspire. I see they talk this one now. Nobody can be godfather in a door. Even a person cannot be godfather. Nobody can be godfather in a door. No matter the violence and many things where they promise. That's why they talk. If we don't win this election, most are going to come on opinion. Most are going to come on opinion. Most are going to come on opinion. Fuck you all, man. Fuck you all. What you do? The only person, the only being that can tell us to leave a door is the Oba of Benin. Because I cannot be Ogionba. But I can be Ogion any of these people. I can be their Ogion. Are you feeding me? Are you feeding me? Do I owe you a dime? I have advised so many youth. If you want to play politics, go and get second address. Get your personal business. If you don't get your business, you know if you tell them the truth. You can't tell them the truth. That is the truth. Different truth, you know, this poor friend. I challenge Israel. I challenge Adamu Shomole. I challenge all of them, including Basek himself. I challenge all of them. How many of you don't come and say, come retake this 10 naira? I challenge you. The only person I can say, you don't make me say, take this 10 naira on the basis of friendship, friendly ties, is the Secretary of State Government and Distinguished Senator Idioba Osamiri, including Honorable Ija Bonahima, who is supporting Oshomole today. We all have our right. No, I'm not getting your that link, say, man, come meet me. No. And these people, they gave me assistance, not politics. Get it clear. Get it clear. Now we. They are not celebrating mediocrity. I could recall in the 90s, early 90s, during Abacha regime. No boy go fit come out, go your carry beret, say in a court, go your put up, go your flyer, like you say, but today, in 2016, boys they wear beret inside come house. In fact, now the beret they get appointment. Beret. So people beat person to get appointment. The office of executive director created by Oshiomhole is a constitution. It's not a constitution. They created that office to satisfy some people, elements where they constitute for the society. Executive director on this. Go and check your constitution. Is there anything like executive director? Go and check. If the creator, Oshiomhole creator, to take care of, if you slap somebody, they say the person you slap get level. He's not the executive director on this. He's not the executive director on that. He's not executive. Just if you notice where people dey, you just see innocent man. You notice where your bluff where we. Or somebody yes say you bluff where you don't be executive director. Now so they get out. You don't be. Then go arrange the total people for inside this various group. They'll bring them together. They'll give them money. The normal boys, innocent boys, go to fight each other for street. They don't know, say, the top organ of the various rival court group where they fight to. Then there's somewhere they discuss, they laugh, they eat, they share money. Now that they want more continue. Make boys begin to fight themselves. No way. No way. Boys are tired of fighting themselves. You can no longer use us. Ask now as we speak. Oshiomhole came out to promise violence. Where he became. I know facing Oshiomhole's first soul. Where in your Peking is in America. In fact, as Nigeria politics come deep reach, it is difficult for you to know politician children. Politician children, they only vote for their papa and mama for their election. In fact, only they are for election day. They don't vote for their father. They don't vote for their mother. They don't come out. Now, if you see what they do, they say that they eat. Daddy, my daddy went to election ground. My daddy went to. Who's specific? You want to say me go fight for you? Obaseki is here, and the dope people is with him. No matter what you do. No matter what, I don't talk this word, but I say repeat them again. The first ever courtism security summit in Edo State was held under Oshiomhole administration. The then commissioner of police shocked the tie hands. He did they look under the supervision of security agency. Then it was Chris Ejike was the commissioner of police in Edo State. Now that the one will continue for Edo. See, as of today, any crime when you see for Edo, now this people they cause. You cannot engineer. Many boys now don't see themselves and say, no level. No matter what we do, men we go stand. Never the problem will they get. Never the problem where will they get today. Campaign where you support campaign, tell people what you want to do. Now election don't reach done, you cause Kakata here and there, violence because you want to rig. You can't rig this election. You can't. You can't rig this election. The victory is on the streets. And I want to send this clear message to the governor. This message to the governor. Your Excellency, Governor Obaseki, with due respect, if these people continue like this, other people to flood the streets anywhere they are, across the 3 senatorial districts. Other Edo people to flood the streets across the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State. Make a general announcement. Come out as a governor. This agent of darkness want to destabilize our state. I hereby call on all women in Edo to come out and lock up Edo State through protest. More cover the state. May you look whether these people they make all this noise. The reason why they make all this unnecessary noise is because we say democratic principle. Yes, it's fine. But you know, tell me say democratic principle, you call it chuka for my eye, bro, they light. No. It is time to take a decisive action against this enemy. Let the people lead. Now someone talk, and the people should take an advantage of this situation and bring these people back to normalcy. Except If the saying, where they tell us right from history, even in primary school, where they say nobody is above the law, it's not true. If it is true, this lawlessness should stop. This lawlessness by some disgruntled citizens should stop. It should stop. It should stop. Let's call a spade a spade. Let's say the truth where necessary. All this should stop. I say when we use my eyes see things for Edo North. See the way Edo Central bring. Oh, somebody got the back on the hit for Edo Central. All those the former analog idea about the radio cover. They say, oh, he no work. That's right. Boy, look at. As they say, why they know the campaign again now? When they enter flat, nobody they follow their campaign. 2,000 naira per head, 2,000 naira per head to get a crowd. How many you go fee spend? 2,000 naira per head to get a crowd. See employment generation. I want to tell you today, anybody who is say we have POI cap, there are POI for the cap. No say it's an aggrieved person. He's just been aggrieved. Ask her. As yesterday I was with some of the POI people. I dealt with my full Obaseki cap. All of us sit down for my zone. In my zone, you cannot use politics to divide us. We all sit down. We discuss, we sample each other opinion. I can authoritatively tell you, say, all of them we are aggrieved, now aggrieved of more money. Now, normal thing, I know. But let me tell you the truth. Are we not supposed to have a well-functioning infrastructure? Now, the cheapest thing in America or Western world is food. The most expensive thing here is food. Even if you have millions, you not allow government to build the economy. You will use it to buy food here. At the end of the day, your money will run dry. So it is better for a government to build the economy, give you road, give you light as we are getting close to Osama power plant now. You get refinery, will create employment. The employment opportunity there, they boom. That's why they collect money. When money they enter your hand, you will feed the properly. You see the guy you want to save. But these days, this people don't agree. And I want to advise Obaseki. Again, you see this debate when they want to do so. When they, say before election, they say come and do debate. Do not debate with anybody. In my emotion, when they don't go use because these people are very diabolic. Forget they say they use church now covering your face. They are diabolic people. Don't get close to them at all. Be far from them. Because Edo progress, as far as we are concerned, is tied to your neck now. Obaseki. Do not 50 meters. This people can even say somebody will get coronavirus. They'll say, go and hug the governor. You know, no. Run from them. Run from them. They should tell Edo people what they want to do. You tell Edo people what you want to do. The idea of Nado Sayegbenu, do not do it with them. Do not do it with them. Focus on your own. Let them focus on their own. Edo people will be the judge. Nemo Judas in Kaseswa. No man shall be a judge in his own case. Audio Terapate. You must hear directly from the party first before judging. Edo people will be the judge. The both party who are contesting cannot be a judge in their own case. So the idea of coming and say, no. These people are too diabolical. They are too dangerous. Run from them. Tell the people what you want to do. We continue to remain with you. Go and see what happened in the House of Assembly. Before 15 minutes, the people have taken over the House of Assembly. Before 15 minutes, the people have taken over the State House of Assembly. All that watch, see, you see that AK-47 at night. You see that AK-47 at night, it will fail. It will fail. So do not waste your money to buy guns again. guns will not work. As strong as the Roman Empire, they are afraid of the barrel, the pain, than the barrel of a gun. Obaseki, the pen stroke now. These people not get chance to sit down to reason. Jealousy, not let them rest. Huh? Ubiana wa government now. Ubiana wa government. A state in me, you know go gbina maso. Well, you know me came no really kwano na yari gbana imamos yen. That's what they are doing now. But they will fail. They will fail. Type it. They will fail. Moku pepper them. They will fail. Type fail if you know they will fail. Type fail if you know they will fail. They will fail. They will fail. Now the governor is in his world, is organizing a world press conference. I just got the alert now that the governor of Edo State is organizing a world press conference. I just got the alert now. So thank you very much. I hope to come back later. Let me listen to. Oh, okay, it's going to be pre-recorded anyway. It's going to be on the. It's already on the governor's page on social media. So for those who need to watch, you can go there to watch it now, so that you know exactly what is going on. These elements must be put to shame. Type they will fail. Type they will fail. Type they will fail. No matter what they do, they will fail. Edo is united in one front to confront these monsters. They will fail. Obaseki is the project. That's why those of us who are operating from Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, we know clearly that we are going. Your boy Ikega, Osagumaro, Edo Diaspora Connect. We were the first to ever flag off for the governor, even when the governor was still organizing all other activity. We flagged off the campaign in Edo State because we know that darkness cannot take over light. Once again, I remember humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Osakwino. We will stand to defend the rector. We will stand to defend the interests of the Jekta. We will stand to defend the interests of the downtrodden. We will stand to defend the interests of the Talakawas. We will stand to defend the interests of the Olopoloi in our contemporary urban society. Ask them this simple question. A man who is spending billions, what are you going to gain later? A businessman is always about profit maximization. What will you gain later? Ask them. Then those who are fighting now, ask them, why are you fighting? What will be your benefit in the next government if you succeed? Ask them. They will tell you, that's what they will tell you. Thank you very much. Please join the governor's press briefing. As we speak, the governor is organizing a world press conference. I just got the alert. You can go to Governor Obaseki's page on Facebook. Watch it live. Thank you very much. I'm Musa Kwenokwodi. I may come back later to analyze the speech of the governor for everyone to understand. Bye for now. Good day, everyone. Thank you. For those who have been trying to reach me on WhatsApp through 08079742172, I'm no longer using that WhatsApp. You can call me on direct line through that same number. But if you want to reach me on WhatsApp, you can reach me on 07036109939, 07036109939, 07036109939. Those agents of darkness attacked my WhatsApp, attacked our group, but they failed. We have returned. So if you can reach me, you can call me anytime. It's very free, so it's normal. But please join the governor's press briefing immediately. Thank you once again. I'm Musa Kwenokwodi. Bye for now.